Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Lisa here, and today I am eating some pepperoni pizza and some mozzarella sticks. My mozzarella sticks I put in the air fryer and they kind of exploded, so they're kind of broken up, but the pepperoni pizza is super freaking melty. I have 3 slices here, but they're all kind of melted together, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I got the pepperoni pizza from H-E-B. Same thing with the mozzarella sticks. These were made in store and I just really wanted some pizza. Oh my gosh, maybe I shouldn't have put it on top of each other. Oh. Shit. Okay. Well, it looks like I'm gonna be eating it in pieces. I have some ranch and some pizza sauce off to the side. I have really been craving some pizza. And I have been drinking a little bit. Have some mimosa here. Kind of sad they exploded. I didn't even put them at the highest temperature that they said they could be at. Still tastes good. The pizza like just came out of the oven. I got a 16-inch because it was only $2 more than the 12-inch, and I figured why not? I'll just eat the leftovers tomorrow. Or later tonight. It's really good. And I'm wearing big lashes for the first time in a while, and it feels really good. At first, my right eye was kind of bothering me. Honestly though, it's not that bad anymore. I'll put the sauces up here so you guys can see. The book, the audiobook that I was talking about in my last mukbang, I started the 2nd book of the series. And honestly, I feel like the characters got a little bit toxic, which is like not my vibe because I've been in plenty of toxic relationships and I'm not about it. But then I feel like it kind of got better. So we'll see. I'm only a little bit through the second book, so. I feel like there's not a lot of sauce on this pizza. Very crunchy, but they taste really good. They were just frozen mozzarella sticks, so yeah. Oh my gosh. I really should have waited till this pizza cooled down to put it on here. Like, look. Oh my goodness. It's okay, it tastes good. And I just started watching the movie right before this. I haven't finished it yet. But the movie The Lost Daughter. And I don't know what the theme is about, like, not having children. But, like, this movie is also about, like, a mother that doesn't feel like she was competent as a mother. I tend to eat pizza like backwards. And there's a few places I want to try to eat at, but I feel like they're kind of far from my house, like 30 minutes or more. I haven't really done any car mukbangs on my channel, and I was wondering how you guys feel about that, if you would be okay with me doing that. I do have like a tray that can like sits in my cup holder and sits up higher. I bought one just because I was anticipating doing some car mukbangs. Finally. And I just wanted to know how you all felt about doing a car mukbang. Because there's like a place called Mochi Nut out here. It's a chain place, but it has like the Korean corn dogs and stuff like that. But I just feel like in order to get the right cheese pull for the Korean corn dogs, I need to have it nice and hot. So I feel like, and it's like 30 minutes from my house. So in order to get like that, like a good mukbang for that, I think that I would need to do a car mukbang. So yeah, I'm just wondering like if you guys would mind a car mukbang. Like I said, I have a tray that would sit up like with me like this. Not perfectly like this, but yeah, I cooked those way too much. It still tastes good. They're just not as ooey gooey cheesy as the pizza is. Mm. Mm. I love pizza. I never really wear my hair like this, but after seeing it up like this, maybe with these lashes, I really like it. Give me a moment. Told myself I shouldn't start drinking before I did a mukbang, but I really wanted to drink today. Sorry, guys. And that's also why there's not going to be a before and after belly. Because I was drinking mimosas, which is champagne and orange juice. And it already felt bloated. And my husband is super excited about the fact that that 70s show is on Peacock, because it's not been on like any streaming services for a while unless you purchase it. But it's somebody posted last night, and I had to Google to make sure that it was real. And it's on Peacock now, which we do have that because my husband's obsessed with The Office, and that's where you can find The Office. Sorry, I just like ran up my stairs. I also started rewatching Modern Love on Prime Video. I love that show. Each episode is a different story. But it definitely gets you like emotional, so yeah. And I just tried Shake Shack for the first time. It was delicious. And I'll have to eventually film a mukbang for you guys for it as well. These mozzarella sticks probably look so horrible. I promise you they still taste good. There's just not that much cheese left like inside of them. I feel like it's all crispy. But yeah, I haven't watched many shows or movies since the last mukbang I filmed. Just been really busy. I went to Shake Shack. That when I said I tried it for the first time, I was going there with a friend that in the next couple of months she's probably going to be leaving for Japan. She's getting stationed there. And then I went and bought a bunch of sweets that I plan on filming a video for. I don't know when I'm going to film a video for, but it's whenever I'm in the mood for all the sweets. And they're all things that I'm trying for the first time, so. Do you guys like mimosas? I know it's like weird to be drinking one with dinner, but I just really enjoy them. And it's something that I bought at the store, so. I feel like I eat pizza often, or I at least crave it often. I feel like I'm hardly eating anything because I'm so full from drinking already. It's so good though. And the pizza was like a 16-inch pizza, so each slice is like 8 inches. So I've already ate like 16 inches worth of pizza. And then considering I've ate almost 2 slices already. Oh, that felt nice. Burping feels so good. I posted earlier today about going live soon, so I hope that by the time I post this, it's before I go live. The last time I checked, it seemed like most of you were voting for Sunday, which is good. So Sunday's an easy day for me to do. Tell me if you guys have watched Modern Love. I feel like I get emotional with every single episode, and somehow I feel like I can relate, even though I'm younger than some of the couples. But I have had my husband now is not my first marriage, and I don't know if I've necessarily talked about it on here. I feel like I've tried to hide some stuff from you guys, But yeah, my husband is not my first marriage that I'm with now, but I'm also, you know, in my late 20s. I'm less than a year away from being 30. And I have experienced some major heartbreaks and some people that I thought were the love of my life, and they weren't. And I feel like Modern Love is just a really, really good show to watch if for anything, for any kind of love. Maybe even if you're just expecting a certain kind of love, you know? And that's what I mean by, like, when I was listening to that audiobook, this second one, I felt like they were kind of getting toxic towards each other, and it made me kind of like uninterested in the book, because I've had, yeah, like I said, my fair share of toxic relationships, and if you've had that, you don't really want to necessarily like relive that listening to it or reading it. So it's like you enjoy the story kind of, but at the same time you're just like, wow, that person's being either naive or just stubborn, or I wish they would communicate a different way. It becomes like frustrating for you. I feel like I'm hardly gonna remember this mukbang when I edit it back, and I hope you guys don't mind. Like, this is the only time I've ever filmed a mukbang this way. I was just in the mood to drink, and then I was wanting to film too, so I did it. But I'm full. I'm really full. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love each and every one of you, and welcome so much to so many of my new subscribers. You're amazing, and honestly, I think that's why I was drinking tonight, to like celebrate the fact that I'm so close to hitting 600. So if you're new here, please subscribe so I can hit that 600, and then I'll go live and celebrate with every one of you. I love you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!